Switchblade Tactical Missile System. Switchblade is a backpackable, tube-launched miniature loitering munition with ISR capabilities. It can fly for 10 minutes. Switchblade is a miniature, high-precision strike tactical missile system developed by AeroVironment, primarily for the U.S. Army and U.S. Marine Corps. It is designed to engage stationary and moving targets in hostile environments, while reducing collateral damage. It weighs 2 kilograms. The weapon system is equipped with intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance or ISR capabilities, enabling it to engage beyond line-of-sight targets. It is available in 2 variants, namely Switchblade 300 and Switchblade 600. The original battle-proven Switchblade that was introduced in 2011 was rebranded Switchblade 300 following the launch of Switchblade 600. The U.S. government reportedly agreed to provide Switchblade munitions to Ukraine as part of a security assistance package amid Russia's invasion of Ukraine that began in February 2022. Tests conducted on the Switchblade missile system, a prototype of the Switchblade tactical missile system, underwent military utility assessment with the U.S. Army and received safety confirmation in 2010. AeroVironment conducted live-fire exercise of the Switchblade missile for multiple U.S. government authorities at a military facility in December 2011. During the demonstration, the missile successfully engaged and destroyed the targets from a standoff distance in different operating environments, during day as well as at night. The Switchblade missile was test-launched by the U.S. Marine Corps MV-22 tiltrotor military aircraft in April 2015. Design and features of the tactical missile system. The Switchblade system is tube-launched, rapidly deployable, fully scalable and man-portable. It can be remotely piloted or be operated autonomously by a single operator and has the ability to wave off or recommit a target after launch. Length of the missile is 2 feet, whilst its weight is approximately 2.5 kilograms, and it is equipped with foldable tandem wings. The missile's advanced explosive warhead allows it to attack soft targets, and the loitering munition has very small visual, thermal and acoustic signatures. The weapon system and its payload, launcher and transport bags can be carried in an Alice pack. It can be launched from different platforms, including self-contained ground launcher, air vehicle, ground vehicle, and watercraft. The Block 10C upgrade of the weapon system features the Digital Data Link (DDL) for a secure encrypted communication link. Its development was completed in April 2016. Payloads attached to the Switchblade missile. The Switchblade missile is integrated with a video camera for providing real-time color and infrared video imagery, and a global positioning system (GPS) for target acquisition. Software upgrade. The Switchblade 300 Sensor-to-Shooter or S2S kit was introduced in January 2022. It allows immediate transfer of target coordinates from AeroVironment's small unmanned aircraft system SWAS such as the Puma 3AE, Puma LE, Raven B, or Wasp AE to Switchblade 300 loitering missile systems. The S2S software, which is a replacement of the Falcon View multi-platform mapping and mission planning application, reduces engagement timelines through real-time transmission of video and flight telemetry data. Ground control system. The Switchblade weapon system can be operated from a small, lightweight, portable, and combat-proven ground control system developed by AeroVironment. The real-time video data captured by the air vehicle's payload cameras is downlinked to the GCS for processing. The operators can capture screen images and store data to assess and track the targets. The ground station also allows retransmission of video and metadata to an operations network in real time. Switchblade missile propulsion and performance. Power for the Switchblade is provided by a small size and quiet motor. The Switchblade tactical missile can reach a maximum cruising speed of 101.38 km per hour and an operational range of 10 km. Its operational altitudes above ground level, AGL, is 500 feet and mean sea level, MSL, is 15,000 feet respectively for Switchblade 300, while the endurance is up to 10 minutes. Switchblade 600 details. Switchblade 600, which is a next-generation variant, is a man-portable all-in-one tactical missile system capable of engaging larger, hardened targets at greater distances. The 22.7 kg system can be prepared for operation in less than 10 minutes. It features the same collapsible wing and electric propulsion architecture as the base variant. The missile system allows warfighters to fly, track, and strike non-line-of-sight targets and light armored vehicles with lethality. The Switchblade 600 solution incorporates a high-performance electro-optical and infrared gimbal sensor suite and precision flight control. With an endurance of more than 40 minutes, it provides enhanced tactical reconnaissance, surveillance and target acquisition, RSTA. It features an anti-armor warhead that allows it to engage stationary and moving light armored vehicles from different angles without the need for external ISR or fires assets. Switchblade 600 is also equipped with wave-off and recommit capability, which ensures minimal to no collateral damage. It can travel 80 kilometers to a target area before conducting multiple confirmation orbits of the target. It can attain a cruise speed of 112.65 km per hour and a dash speed of 185 km per hour. The loitering missile has a target standoff range of more than 40 kilometers. Switchblade missile system development, orders and deliveries. AeroVironment received a $4.9 million contract from the U.S. Army Close Combat Weapons Systems, CCWS, Program Executive Office Missiles and Space to provide engineering services and operational systems for the Switchblade Agile munition, in June 2011. The U.S. Air Force awarded a $4.2 million order for the Switchblade loitering munition systems and services in early 2012. ATK was subcontracted by AeroVironment for the production and delivery of the munition systems. In March 2012, AeroVironment received a $5.1 million modification contract for the Switchblade loitering munition systems and services. In August 2012, the U.S. Army awarded a contract to AeroVironment to provide operational and training rounds, and training, support and rapid delivery to support ongoing operations of the U.S. Army's Rapid Equipping Force, REF. AeroVironment received 5 separate orders totaling $15.8 million in value for the missile system as of July 2013. The U.S. Army placed orders worth $36.7 million for the Switchblade tactical missile systems in September 2013. AeroVironment received a $4.3 million order with a $7.1 million option from the U.S. Army CCWS Office for the Switchblade Missile System Support Services in September 2014. It received a contract worth $22.8 million from the U.S. Army for Block 10C Switchblade Missile Systems and Support Services in October 2016. It was awarded contracts totaling $111 million between August 2017 and May 2018 to provide the Switchblade Lethal Miniature Aerial Missile System and Contractor Logistics Support, CLS. The contracts include orders from the U.S. Army and the first order from the U.S. Marine Corps. Hardware deliveries of the Switchblade system under initial awards commenced in December 2017. AeroVironment was awarded a $76 million contract from the U.S. Army to supply the Switchblade 300 system along with support services in May 2020. The contract was awarded as part of the U.S. Army's Lethal Miniature Aerial Missile System program. The company received a contract option award worth $44.96 million to supply additional Switchblade 300 systems for the U.S. Army and for export to an allied nation in April 2021. The option was exercised by the U.S. Army under the Lethal Miniature Aerial Missile System contract. Deliveries are expected to be completed by 2023. The U.S. Special Operations Command awarded a contract worth $26 million for the delivery and integration of Switchblade 600 missile systems into specialized maritime platforms in March 2021. The contract work is expected to be completed by January 2023. The U.S. Army placed a contract order worth $13 million for Switchblade 300 contractor logistics support in March 2021. The contract requires AeroVironment to deliver logistics support services until March 2024. U.S. Special Operations Command awarded a $20.32 million contract to AeroVironment for the supply of Switchblade 600 TMS in September 2021. The company is expected to complete the delivery by January 2023. Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.